How to easily add borders in Google Docs. So to start, we'll have to open our browser and then simply open a sample Google document. So in here, if we want to add borders, all we need to do is to tap on this insert option, and then in here select drawing option and then tap on new. After that, we'll have to go on the shapes icon, and then in here select shapes and then select the rectangle shape. After that, we'll have to draw the shape here. And then once we're done with that, tap on this border color icon. And then in here, you can choose any color you like. But as for me, I prefer gray color. And then once I'm done with that, I'm also gonna change the thickness of the border. To do that, we'll have to tap on this border weight option. And then in here, I'm gonna select the 4 option. And as you can see, it automatically changed the thickness of my border. After that, we'll have to tap on this fill color icon, and then in here, we'll have to change the settings to transparent. Once we're done with that, tap on the save and close option. And as you can see, that shape or border is automatically added here. The next thing that we need to do is to select the border. After that, go here at the bottom and then select the option in front of text. And then after that, we'll also have to tap on this move with text and then select this fixed position on page option. After that, we can now move our border. To do that, we'll have to select the border and then drag it here. And then to make it bigger, move your cursor at the corner of the border and then drag it to make it bigger. After that, we'll also have to scroll down, place the cursor at the bottom and then drag again the border. So, as you can see here, I now have a border on my Google Docs. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!